Hey teachers, let's talk about CTE, Career and Technical Education. You know it, you love it, and McGraw-Hill is here to make it better than ever. We've got resources to help your students crush career prep from middle school to their very first job interview. So I'm Tracksuit Thomas, and as you know, CTE is in the zone. With you and McGraw-Hill's resources, let's change the game and score big! So first up, we're all about active learning. Our programs go beyond the textbook with career explorations, soft skills, and hands-on practice to get students job ready. Whether they're designing a business plan or solving real-world problems, this isn't learning by the book, it's learning by doing. Second, it's accessible to all students. Whether your students are exploring careers in middle school or building technical skills in high school, our resources meet them where they are. And with both digital and print options, teachers get flexibility and your students get support. With soft skills and career explorations right at your fingertips, you're not just teaching, you're changing the trajectory of these kids' lives forever. Teachers, let's move students from exploration to career-ready confidence, because the goal is to give your students pathways for learning so that they have skills for life. Now that's a win-win.